Good morning, fellow rebels. It's great to be here in New York. I was just thinking a couple of days ago that New York is home to two expressions of humankind's finest aspirations, and I went to have a look at one of them, the Statue of Liberty, and we should never ever remember the gift of liberty and freedom of speech and all of those things that America has given to the world, and as a New Zealander I just want to say thank you to America for that. The other monument to finest aspirations is down on First Avenue. I think it's a place called United Nations. I think it's still a work in progress, particularly when it addresses matters of climate. So here we are in the Big Apple, the core of the Big Apple, with a mission to save the planet. And what are we saving it from? Well, a question asked by President Klaus last night. Well, we're saving it from being swamped by a tsunami of false propaganda about catastrophe caused by we humans emitting a little too much of a colourless, odourless gas, carbon dioxide, CO2. The zealots who preach this propaganda condemn CO2 as a, quote, global warming pollutant because they claim that a consensus of world scientists has said this is true, and it must be true because they've said it under the auspices of the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the IPCC, in its fourth assessment report 4AR published in 2007. But is it true? Do world climate scientists really agree that our emissions of CO2 are causing a global warming crisis? Read the papers, watch the TV news bulletins, listen to the politicians, and indeed former politicians. Carbon, shorthand for carbon dioxide, the gas we breathe out and plants breathe in, has become a dirty word and the source of a mysterious footprint.